Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture, we will discuss some important problems on square and cube roots. Okay, so let's start. See, in the first problem, what is given? A mobile company is offering Indian cricket team to pay as per the number of runs scored, and the amount will be equal to the total number of runs scored by the Indian team against Australia per score. Okay, per run. So let number let runs scored be X and per run amount paid by the company is equal to number of runs scored. Amount per run scored is equal to total score, that is X. Therefore, total amount will be equal to total number of runs scored into amount per run, that is X into X, which is equal to X square. So what is asked in the question? Which of the following out of these four given options cannot be equal to the total amount spent by the company? See, it should be a perfect square. If we square 2, okay, so unit digit will be 4. So option A may be or may not be. Okay, we need to check, but it has 4, so still chances are that it can be a perfect square. Similarly, if we take square of 1 or 9, we will get 1 at the unit digit. If we take square of 3 or 7, we will get 9 at the unit place. But we will not get 8 at the unit digit after squaring any number. Okay. So it cannot be at the unit digit place when we square any number from 1 to 9. Okay. So our option will be D, that D cannot be the amount paid by the company. Okay. In the next problem, we have to find the value of the given expression. So this type of problem where we have to find the value, root 12 is getting repeated infinite number of times. Okay. So we will assume this as x. So 12 plus under root 12 plus under root 12, and this will repeat infinite number of times. So we are assuming the given expression as x. As under root 12 is repeated infinite number of times, so if we take 112 out and consider the remaining one as x, it makes no difference. Okay, so it will be equal to x. Now squaring both sides, we will get 12 plus x equal to x square after squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Okay, now we have got a quadratic equation in x and we have to find the value of x. So we will find the factors of x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 equal to 0. So we will get x minus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 0, and this will give x equal to 4 or x equal to minus 3. But what is x? X is the root. Okay. So square root cannot be negative for any real number. Square root cannot be negative for any real x. real x. So x is not equal to minus 3. Okay. Therefore, our answer will be x equal to 4. So option number B will be our correct option. Okay. We will discuss next problem. See here what is given. Value of root 3 is given and we have to find the value of given expression up to 3 places of decimal. So how we can find, see under root 192 minus 1 by 2 under root 48 minus under root 75. So we will try to express this in terms of under root 3. So under root 192 can be written as 64 into 3 minus 48 can be written as 16 into 3 and 75 can be written as 25 into 3. So 64 is a perfect square. So root will be 8 root 3 minus half into 4 under root 3 minus 5 under root 3. When we divide, we will get 2. So it will be 8 under root 3 minus 7 under root 3 and it will be equal to root 3 and value of root 3 is given as 1.732. So our answer will be option number B. We will discuss next problem. See in this problem what is given. While solving a mathematical problem, Samida squared a number and then subtracted 25 from a given number. While by correct method, she should have subtracted 25 first and then squared it. But in both the cases, she is getting the same answer. So what she got is the right answer. So what was the given number we have to find? So let the required number be x. Therefore, by first method, that is the wrong method, what she have done, she have squared the number, so x square and then subtracted 25 from it. While by the correct method, it should have first 25 should have been subtracted from the given number and then resulting number should have been squared and both will be same or equal. So now we have to find the value of x. X square minus 25 equal to x square minus 50x plus 625, that is a minus b whole square. So x square will get cancelled out from both sides and we will get 50x equal to 625 plus 25, that is 650. Therefore x will be equal to 650 divided by 50, so it will be equal to 13. So the required number is 13 and our answer will be option number A. In the next problem, it is given r is a positive number. It is first multiplied by 8 and then squared. The square obtained is now divided by 4 and then square root of the resulting number is taken and the resulting number is equal to q. Okay. So what is the value of q we have to find. So we will go one by one. So first let the number be r and it is multiplied by 8, so 8r, then it is squared, so 8r whole square, and after that it is divided by 4 and then square root is taken. Okay, and this will be equal to q. So we have to find the value of q. So this will be equal to 64r square divided by 4. So it is equal to under root 16r square, which will be equal to 4r. So our answer will be option number B. Okay friends. So in this lecture we have discussed some important problems on square and cube roots. Okay. Thank you.